And now it is time to save money with a set of two. Brand new in January, actually on my grandma's birthday, the 13th of January. This is our Satin and Sparkle 3/4 sleeve, a set of two tops today for $73. 3 easy payments of $24.33. They're this drapey, flowy, smooth knit that we love. So versatile, great color combinations. We're looking at Crystal right there. Crystal, of course, is 5'3". She's wearing size medium, and the color she has on right now is called Lilac Ice. Remember, you're getting a set of two. So with Lilac Ice, its sister is the black choice. Look at the tonal sparkles on each one of these tops. Little satin details are so special. This is the pink spearmint. I love this color combination. Right? Is it because I have that special movie Wicked on the brain? And pink goes good with green. Yep. That's your pink spearmint choice. This is called Sky Blue and Light Coral. We have extra small through 5X, 60% cotton, 40% polyester. Machine wash. With this, we do recommend that you dry flat. What a top, Angel.
I know, right?
Yes.
We've been doing sets of two for years because you get more bang for your buck. And I always like to say, when you love something, when we as women love something,
we love it a lot.
We love it a lot, and we have it in multiples.
Yes.
To the chagrin of our significant others.
There's
you know
no chagrin. They want us to be happy. Happy wife, happy life.
Yes. Well,
I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you, Steve Reed.
I say over wine sometime. I'll share.
Okay, tell me all about that.
Well, actually, real quickly, I'll tell you.
Okay.
I pulled out my food processor, my KitchenAid food processor that I got from here the other day to make a dip to take to a friend's for the big game.
For the big game, gotcha.
And my husband comes into the kitchen and says, "Is that new?" Meanwhile, I've had it for over a year.
Right.
But I have it hidden in a cabinet, so he doesn't see it. So he's like, "Is that new?" I'm like, "No, babes, it's not new. I've had it for like a year and a half now."
Do you want to hear my hack?
Please.
When I get extra packages delivered, sometimes I'm like, I don't know who ordered this. This must be a sample. It's really diabolical. Okay.
I love it.
You don't have to worry about it because you're bringing home two for a great QVC price.
Exactly. Yes. So often when we do sets of two, we might change the sleeve length, we might change some embroidery, we might change something, the neckline. But with this, you're getting exactly the same silhouette. Right. 3/4 length sleeves, 60% cotton, 40% polyester, that beautiful open V neckline. But what we're doing here is adding those tonal stones, big chunky stones,
isn't that great?
Kissed on, so nothing itchy scratchy coming through the fabric, trimmed in that satin, which I have to tell you, I don't ever remember us doing. And I think this may have been my suggestion, but I can't remember because I find these suggestions, I send them off to the design team, I delete them from my phone or my email, and I forget. Right?
I'll give you credit, Angel. I think this is your idea.
And it's just because, while, this is more than just a straight up plain old t-shirt. Right. It has a little personality. Yeah. It has a little sparkle. We should sparkle and shine every day. Yes. So that's what allows you. And then, of course, our team chooses color combos that you have loved.
Yes. And isn't that great that you're getting back those, even though they're the same top, different personalities in those colors as well. You mentioned with that sparkle, with the satin, it also lends itself to that versatility of kind of dressing it up or down.
Yes, absolutely.
Look at that with the big deal that's coming up in just a little bit. Absolutely gorgeous. The signature sparkle that everyone loves about Quacker is in full effect, but that super flattering neckline, tell me all about that, Angel, because that's gorgeous.
Yes, it really is. So, sometimes, people don't like too close of a neckline. You get your hair done. You should see me sometimes, like if I put Velcro rollers in my hair at home. Yeah. I have to really carefully think about, will I be able to get my shirt on at home? And then off here to change with the rollers in my hair. So I like a little bit of an open neckline, but this isn't so that you're going to see the bra strap and this and that. It's very flattering. Look, Crystal's heart-shaped face is really accented with that little bit of that split V.
And I think these colors are so perfect. I mean, that's that lilac ice that comes with your black choice makeup color. It just gives Crystal that little extra glow, like she's got a little extra whisper of blush on. I think it's such a flattering length as
really
well.
is. And Crystal's 5'3".
She's 5'3".
She wears our size
She's
medium.
wearing size medium.
And so you can see, yes, the three. I love a 3/4 length sleeve because
too.
I have long arms.
Yes.
So sometimes long sleeves are too short.
Right.
You know, so that 3/4 length sleeve.
It's
really,
the sweet spot.
It can go anywhere.
Exactly. Really, really elegant. And I want to tell everyone that length is 26.5 to 32.5, depending on where you fall on that size chart. We have extra small through 5X. And I love that this is like that smooth knit that just feels so good.
This fabric is beefy without being bulky.
Yes.
Amazing hand feel. You know, follow the care instructions. You will have this for years to come. And what I love about this set, Chelsea, is that this is a set that becomes a workhorse in your wardrobe because you don't have to take it out from season to season.
Isn't that great?
You can wear it all year long.
You're going to wear it all year long. These colors are gorgeous. This has been super popular so far. It's called Lilac Ice with your black choice. This is pink. And, oh, nope, sorry, I moved it. It is sky blue and light coral. And then
just testing you.
I like it. Keep me on my toes. That's your pink spearmint option. It's A677829. Tap our app. Visit us on QVC.com. Or you can always scan that little QR code that's at the bottom of your screen. Either way you do it, you're bringing home a set of 2 tops today for $73. 3 easy payments of $24.33. You are going to wear them with absolutely everything. You know you can wear them with? My pick of the show. Right here, we are